Oh, there are many. There are many.
Do you want to know?
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Srikanth and you are watching Life2explore. Today we are visiting a wildlife sanctuary. It's not a wildlife sanctuary, it's a deer sanctuary. So reaching there early is important. That's why we got up early and got ready. As you see, still it's dark, 5 o'clock. So without any further delay, let's start. I will update you regarding the route map and the place on the go. Okay, so let's start.
So we have covered 45 kilometers so far. From Bangalore, this Blackbuck Sanctuary is almost 120 kilometers, which takes approximate 2.5 hours. We need to reach there as early as possible, and fortunately we have a cloudy day today. So in cloudy day, basically spotting of wildlife will be chances will be more. So the name is Jayamangali Blackbuck Reserve. If you see in Google Map, right, many places marked as Jayamangali Blackbuck Reserve. Yeah, because it's, I think, few square kilometer it is. But if you are choosing those places, right, it gives you a different route. Since I came here multiple times, I know the exact map location. So if you will follow the map which I have given in the description, right, you will reach at the right location, and from there how you will proceed I will let you know once I will reach there. Okay, there is a mud road, so mud road you need to drive for maybe a couple of kilometers. Anyway, I will update you once I will reach there. So let's proceed remaining kilometer. We just reached. The last 5 kilometer road condition was not good. In fact, road construction is going on. As you saw, we just took a right, and this is the board, right, Jayamangali Blackbuck Conservation Reserve. And as you see here, this road, this is a mud road. So this is the starting point of the reserve. Maybe I think couple of kilometers after you will see a gate to the means inside the reserve, right, there is a gate. Okay, but once you start from here, half kilometer after only you will start spotting this black box. Okay, so let's go, let's see. Hope we will see, because anyway it's a cloudy weather, so hope we will spot few black box. Anyway, I will show you. Let's go. We started spotting black box. Let's check. Oh, there are many. There are many out there. Let me zoom a bit and show you. Wow, did you see that? We just started I think 1.7 kilometer from that road, and we started spotting all around. We haven't yet entered the Blackbuck Sanctuary, right? The gate. Let's proceed and check. Let's see inside. But last time also we visited, we spotted in this area more as compared to the real inside the sanctuary, right? As compared to that, actually we spotted here last time also. So I think this is the best place to spot them. But as I said, you should reach here as early as possible. Now I think 8:30. If you are reaching even 7 o'clock, right, it's much better. Okay, let's proceed. Let me show you a drone shot of the entire area. You enjoy that. We will have our breakfast till then, and after that we will proceed. Hope you like the drone shot. It's really an awesome place. Entire place is like kind of a grassland with lot of bubble trees, which blackbucks they love to eat. Anyway, we had also our breakfast. Now we'll go inside the reserve, right, and we'll see what is there. Okay. Anyway, I will keep you posted. So from the mud road starting point, right, the gate, the sanctuary gate, so that is exactly 3 kilometers. But anyway, the sanctuary is closed, it looks like, because once you enter that sanctuary, right, there are couple of watchtowers, if you able to notice. Okay, the small one and there is a bigger one. Okay, so last year when we visited, those were open. Actually, we spent some time there. But looks like it is closed because you have seen, right, they already closed these roads towards that. This road actually goes to the village. From that entry point to this road, right, some village it is going, that's why it is open, so people are coming here. But anyway, our purpose was to just visit this place and spot some black box, which we already did. and as well as also we spotted lot of birds here, actually many birds. Okay, so those broad clips, right, I just compiled with a short clip. Just enjoy that. After that we will meet. We just came out of that gate. You see that, right? Yeah, because inside there is nothing to see much, and spotting of this deers are little difficult because there are a lot of bushes inside and lot of trees as well, so they will have opportunity to hide. And these animals are really shy. If they hear little noise also, right, they run away, so spotting them is really difficult. So if you are planning here, right, as I advised, you just reach before 8 AM or maybe try to reach after evening. Yeah, that's all. So I think this is the right time to end the vlog because we need to head back to Bangalore. It will take some 3 hours. So if you enjoy such places and enjoy such travel video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. We will meet you in a next vlog in a new location, in a new place, and till then, take care guys. Bye bye. Stay safe.